Look, I made a curry washing machine. It's so adorable. It can wash clothes. Let's start with all dirty laundry today. First, put them in the washing machine, all of them, close the door, and fill it with detergent from here. Hello, I'm feeling like going shopping. It's done, take them out. Washed so many clothes, quite diligent, hang them up to dry. Choose a setting, proceed and begin the wash cycle. Glue a hair book. Do it twice. Fold it down. Stick on legs. Draw some clothes. Simple. This is the detergent. Roll the small paper tube for the trim. Stick it here on the overflow cover. All done. If you've gotten this far, you now own a hair-washing copper model detergent treasure. Collect and take your time making it.